In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. So first log in to your Wix dashboard and the website you want to connect. Then next in the left panel, head over to apps so you can hover your mouse on apps and click on App Market. Then next here, search for Mailchimp and click on it. Then next is click on Add to Site. A confirmation window will then appear. So grant access permissions and click on Agree and Add. You will then be redirected to this page. So to proceed, click on Finish your connection. So here, simply follow all the on-screen prompts and press Continue. Now connect Wix to your MailChimp audience. So click on Sync Now. And from here, you can now view your dashboard. Now, if you see this connected status, that only means that we have successfully connected MailChimp and Wix. And here are the quick actions that you can do. You can view your Wix contacts and view products through MailChimp. You can also see automations here that you can use across MailChimp and Wix. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!